Hey there, this is Jeff Klump coming to you from Creve Coeur, Missouri, USA. I hope you're doing well. I'm back on YouTube for another video, and I wanted to once again talk about the great company called Live Good. My channel is primarily dedicated to this company, but I also have a blog. The name of the blog is MEK Enterprises Blog, and you can check it out at mekenterprisesblog.com. Live Good is less than 2 years old, so you're getting in on a ground floor opportunity. It's a health care supplement company. Their supplements are great. I've been using them for several months now. And I'm just starting to try out the business aspect of this. As a paid member, you have access to some of the cheapest supplements anywhere. Much cheaper and healthier for you than Amazon or AG1. It's also a business opportunity. For $10 a month, you can earn monthly residual and passive income. There's a one-time $40 enrollment fee, but after that, it's just $10 a month. So I would urge you to get started right away. Inflation is here to stay, and it's going to go up next year. It could be going up quite a bit. So just because there's a change in leadership in Washington, that doesn't have a whole lot to do with prices. They're going to continue to rise. So it's imperative to try to start a home business. And again, you could just do this a few hours a week if you want. But you need to get the supplements in you to stay healthy. And why not go for the best quality and the lowest price supplements out there? And that again is Live Good. Once again, this is Jeff Klump coming to you from Creve Coeur, Missouri, USA. Have a great day. Take care now.